If you own a 2020 or newer Spyder RT and are looking for an easy way to pull 12-volt power for your aftermarket accessories, we have the perfect solution. Introducing the Phantom Shield Accessory Fuse Block Kit. The Phantom Shield Fuse Block gives you 4 individually fused circuits, making it easy to power your favorite 12-volt accessories, including phone chargers, auxiliary lighting, and other aftermarket accessories. The kit includes a purpose-built power harness that connects directly to your positive and negative battery terminals, along with a plug-and-play, weather-resistant connector that plugs right into the Phantom Shield fuse block. It also includes a trigger wire that connects to the accessory port power source already on the vehicle, allowing the fuse block to automatically turn on and off with the ignition. Now that you know what this kit does, let's get started with the installation on our Shop 2024 Spyder RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure your Spyder is parked on level ground, the ignition is off, and the parking brake is engaged. Start by pushing in your key and turning it counterclockwise to open your frunk. Then use a push pin removal tool to remove these 3 push pins. Next, push your key in and turn it clockwise to lift up the driver's seat. Pull straight out on the upper plastic side panel to remove it from the vehicle. Then, remove the lower plastic panel the same way. Locate the 3 screws securing the side panel and remove them using a T30 Torx wrench. Once the screws are removed, pull straight out on small sections of the panel to release the tabs. Once all the tabs are released, remove the panel and carefully set it aside for now. Locate this open space on the frame. This is where the fuse block will be mounted. Make sure the fuse block is positioned so the cover, the fuses, and accessory terminals remain easy to access once it's installed. Loosely route the red trigger wire up to the accessory port located here, and estimate how much excess wire you can trim from the end. Feed the supplied zip ties through the mounting slots on the back side of the fuse block. Wrap the zip ties around the frame and secure it into place. Locate the power harness included in your kit and apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the plug-and-play connector. Connect it to the harness on the fuse block, making sure it is fully seated. Grab the red wire with the inline fuse holder and open it, like so. Insert the supplied fuse, then thread the 2 halves back together. Now, strip a small amount of insulation from the red trigger wire and insert it into one end of the supplied butt connector. Crimp it down securely. Next, remove the insulation from one end of the inline fuse holder wire, insert it into the other end of the butt connector, and crimp that securely as well. Next, remove the insulation from the other end of the inline fuse holder wire. Unscrew the accessory side cap from the end of the Posi-Tap connector. Insert the inline fuse holder wire through the hole in the center of the cap. Then, wrap it around the internal metal contact pin inside the Posi-Tap. Screw the plastic cap back on until secure. Then give the wire a light pull to make sure it is properly fastened. Wrap the butt connector with electrical tape. Pull out the factory accessory plug from the plastic holder and locate the positive wire. On our 2024 RT Limited, the positive wire was purple with a yellow stripe. Please note that wire colors may vary by model year. If your wire color does not match ours, we recommend using a voltmeter to confirm which wire is positive before proceeding. Unscrew the tap side cap from the other end of the Posi-Tap. You'll notice a slot with a metal pin inside. Slide the positive wire from the accessory plug through the slot, then tighten the cap until it's snug. Reinsert the factory accessory plug back into the plastic holder. In the front, remove the 2 screws holding your battery cover in place using a T30 Torx wrench. Now, you can remove the panel to gain access to your battery. Disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket with ratchet. Followed by the red positive terminal. Double-check that the inline fuse is installed and fully seated before routing the power harness underneath the vehicle and into the battery compartment. Now, fasten the positive ring terminal connections to the positive battery post using a 10mm socket with ratchet until snug. Then, fasten the negative ground terminal connections to the negative battery post. Turn the ignition on and confirm that the fuse block indicator lights illuminate. You should hear an audible click, confirming that the relay is being triggered properly. If everything looks good, turn the ignition back off. Now, you can secure the harness to the existing factory wiring using zip ties, avoiding any sharp objects or hot engine components. Then, reinstall your panels in the reverse order you removed them. To connect an accessory, loosen the positive terminal screw for the circuit you want to use. Insert the accessory's positive wire into the terminal, then tighten the screw down securely. Repeat that process for the ground wire. Once connected, your accessories will turn on with the ignition. Please note that each of the 4 circuits is protected by its own 5-amp fuse. Be sure that any 12-volt accessories connected to a single circuit do not exceed the 5-amp rating. If a circuit exceeds the 5-amp limit, the LED for that specific circuit will illuminate red, indicating which fuse has blown. To replace it, turn off your ignition and remove the fuse block cover. Use pliers to pull the fuse out. Then insert a new 5-amp fuse, making sure it is seated fully. Once inserted, turn on your ignition to confirm the LED is now blue and the fuse was installed correctly. Then reinstall the faceplate.
Once installed, you'll have a dedicated 12-volt accessory fuse block with 4 individually fused circuits, making it easy to power your aftermarket accessories while keeping your installation clean, organized, and protected. If you're ready to add the Phantom Shield 12-volt accessory fuse block kit to your 2020 or newer Spyder RT, be sure to check it out at slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.